If you're experiencing sync issues on Gradio, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause sync issues. Step 2. Update Gradio. Make sure you are using the latest version of Gradio. Check for updates and install them to benefit from bug fixes and improvements. Step 3. Clear cache. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use srub to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Restart application. Close and reopen Gradio. Restarting the application can help reset any temporary glitches that may be causing the sync problems. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Gradio's support team. Provide them with details of the problem for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve sync issues on Gradio effectively. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the community or support resources.